Okay, this is question 3e. A final question from the NCEA 2015 final exam for year 12. This one says, why is the value of x after 3 has been subtracted? And then the answer doubled. So y is equal to x after 3 has been subtracted, and the answer has been doubled. Yeah. X is between there and there, that's fine. Find the maximum minimum values of x squared y. All right, before I do that, I'm just going to make y a bit more succinct here. I'm going to go 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 3 is minus 6. And we're going to have, I'm going to call this z, or z, yes, is equal to x squared y. So z is equal to x squared times 2x minus 6. So z, or z, is equal to, we can expand this out a bit, this is going to be 2x cubed minus 6x squared. So if we want to find the maximum minimum values, I'm going to start by finding the turning point. So I'm going to differentiate z, or z, with respect to x. And 3 2's are 6x squared minus, this is going to be 12x. Okay, I'm going to make this equal to 0. I'm going to divide everything by 6. So 0 is equal to x squared minus 2x, yeah? And I'm going to factorize. 0 is equal to x minus 2. So if we're looking at the turning points, either x is 0 or x is going to equal 2. So that's what we know. All right. So having found that, we can now say, well, which is a maximum and which is a minimum? So let's find maxima and minima first. So I'm going to take the second derivative, which is d squared z over dx squared. And that's going to equal 12x minus 12. Yeah? So put for x equals 0, d2z over dx squared is equal to negative 12, because 12 times 0 is 12. Therefore, x equals 0 is a maximum. And the other point, let's see what else we got here. So we'll go for x is equal to 2, d squared z over dx squared is equal to, what's going to be 12 times 2 minus 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, x equals 2 is a minimum. So we've got our maximum, our minimum. That's great, it's fantastic. All right, now let's find out what the other part of the coordinate is here, yeah? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 6, y is equal to negative 6, and z is equal to 2 cubed minus 6x. Oh, sorry, 2. No. What have we got here? 2. This is 2x cubed, yeah? 2x cubed minus 6x squared is equal to, this is going to be 0, yeah? So y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, yeah? Now, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to, so it's going to be 2 times 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 2. And z is equal to 2 times negative 2 cubed minus 6 times negative 2 squared. equals, well, this is going to be -8, two negative 8s, and -16. That kind of, wait, what? Oh, it's not -2, it's 2, you muppet. Okay, that's glad we caught that in time. So equals 2. So 2, it's going to be 8, 16, it's still going to be 16 though, minus 2, and 2 times -6 is negative 24, took us 4, right. Yeah, 20, why have I written 24 like that? Oh dear. 16 minus 24 is equal to -8. So y is 2, 8 is -8, and over here we've got -6 and 0. All right. Now, so I'll just put in here brackets. This is the minimum here. So 2 is our minimum. And this one here is our maximum. I'm not quite sure what else it would want us to do there, but I think that looks about as good as we're going to get. So hopefully all of that makes sense.